You imagine planting a single clove in the soil and months later pulling out a full bulb of fresh, aromatic garlic, richer in flavor than anything you've ever bought from a store. That's the beauty of growing garlic at home. It's simple, incredibly rewarding, and perfect for beginners across the USA who want to grow their own food with confidence. You are welcome to Nature Nurture Hub, where your love for plants grows into a thriving garden of knowledge and beauty. Garlic is one of the easiest crops to grow, yet many beginners overlook it. The truth is, garlic practically grows itself when given the right conditions. It requires minimal maintenance, takes up very little space, and produces a high-value harvest that enhances your kitchen and your health. The journey begins with choosing the right garlic cloves. Always select large, healthy cloves from a reliable source rather than grocery store bulbs, which may be treated to prevent sprouting. Each clove you plant will grow into a full garlic bulb, so starting with quality cloves ensures better results. Timing is one of the most important factors. In most parts of the United States, garlic is planted in the fall, about 4 to 6 weeks before the ground freezes. This allows the cloves to establish roots before winter. In warmer regions, planting can also be done in late winter. Understanding your local climate helps you choose the perfect planting time. Planting garlic is simple. Break apart the bulb into individual cloves, keeping the papery skin intact. Plant each clove about 2 inches deep with the pointed end facing upward. Space them a few inches apart to give each plant room to grow. This small step sets the stage for a healthy harvest. Light plays a major role in garlic growth. Garlic thrives in full sunlight, requiring at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun daily. A bright, open garden bed or a sunny container is ideal. Without enough light, bulbs may remain small and underdeveloped. Temperature is another key factor. Garlic prefers cooler conditions during its early growth stages and warmer temperatures as it matures. This natural cycle makes it perfectly suited for many regions across the USA. The cold period actually helps the bulb divide into cloves, a process known as vernalization. Watering garlic correctly is essential for healthy roots. The soil should be kept consistently moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to rot, while underwatering can stunt growth. A steady routine watering when the top layer of soil feels dry keeps the plant balanced. Soil quality makes a big difference. Garlic grows best in loose, well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Adding compost improves both structure and fertility, giving your plants the nutrients they need to thrive. Heavy or compacted soil should be avoided, as it can restrict bulb development. Fertilizing garlic helps support strong growth. A balanced fertilizer applied in early spring gives the plants a boost as they begin active growth. Nitrogen-rich feeding early on encourages healthy green leaves, which are essential for bulb formation. As the season progresses, reducing nitrogen helps shift the plant's energy toward bulb development. Pruning in garlic is minimal, but there is one important step: removing scapes. In hardneck garlic varieties, curly green shoots called scapes appear. Cutting them off allows the plant to focus its energy on growing larger bulbs. Plus, Scapes are edible and delicious, adding extra value to your harvest. As the growing season progresses, you'll notice the leaves beginning to yellow. This is a natural sign that your garlic is nearing harvest time. When about half of the leaves have turned brown, it's time to dig up the bulbs carefully. Harvesting garlic is one of the most satisfying moments in gardening. Gently loosen the soil and pull up the bulbs, revealing a cluster of perfectly formed cloves. After harvesting, curing the garlic in a dry, well-ventilated area helps extend its shelf life and enhances flavor. Common problems are usually easy to manage. Small bulbs may result from poor soil or insufficient sunlight. Rotting cloves are often caused by overwatering. Pests are relatively rare, making garlic one of the most low-maintenance crops for beginners. One of the biggest advantages of growing garlic is its versatility. It can be grown in garden beds, raised beds, or containers. Even if you have limited space, a small pot can produce a rewarding harvest. Growing garlic also builds confidence. It teaches patience, consistency, and the basics of plant care, all while delivering a tangible result you can enjoy in your kitchen. What makes garlic truly special is the connection it creates. From planting to harvesting, you're involved in every step. And when you cook with your own homegrown garlic, the flavor and satisfaction are unmatched. So take that first step. Plant a clove, give it sunlight and care, and watch as it transforms into something far
The root
greater.
side goes down.
Because
just like this.
sometimes the simplest beginnings lead
job.
to the
Now
most
cover it up.
rewarding outcomes. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.